Welcome back to Let's Cook. I love shrimp tempura, and I've always wondered how they got so long. So without any other preamble, let's do some wok frying. This method is described in Morimoto's Mastering the Art of Japanese Home Cooking. The short of it is that you flip the little deveined and deshelled shrimpies on their back, and then do a crosswise cut every half an inch or so, and then bend them back to straighten them out. That should be all there is to it. Now for making the tempura, like stir fries and honestly all cooking in general, it's important to mise your pots. So in addition to the prepared shrimp, we're going to pre-blend our dries for a batter adapted from J. Kenji Lopez Alt, the wok. 1 cup each of all-purpose flour and rice flour, 1 tablespoon of baking powder, and 1 tablespoon of fine salt. And when I say prepare everything ahead of time, that includes the sauce. A simple dipping sauce made of 1 cup of dashi, mixed with 1/4 cup of soy sauce and 1/4 cup of mirin. Now that it's almost time to fry, make sure that you have everything ready. A preheated wok full of 375-degree oil off screen, check. Club soda or seltzer as cold as you can get it without it freezing, check. Chopsticks, check. A cooling rack, check. A spider. That's on standby too. To make the batter, we take 1 cup of our blended mix and add 2/3 cup of our soda of choice and 1/4 cup of vodka. Or more club soda because I forgot the vodka. Give the shrimpies a nice light toss. This is what the chopsticks are for. Drip off the excess and then fry in the 375-degree Fahrenheit oil until pale blonde and crisp. About a minute, constantly agitating them, much like Cinder likes to do to me in the morning. Don't forget to drip in some extra batter for crunchies. You should make a new round of batter for every batch, but I won't tell anyone if you double dip, as the kids say. And here it is, my spiral of tempura. It doesn't look quite like I wanted. I was under the delusion that it would somehow get that restaurant look where it's all bumpy and bubbly, and also the shrimp weren't going to curl up, as they are wont to do. Maybe a skewered method would have worked better to straighten out my shrimp. But putting aside my preconception problems, this is actually pretty good shrimp tempura. It's light and crunchy, and doesn't even suggest oily or overcooked. In fact, those words aren't even in its dictionary. The only thing that would make this better would be to throw it on top of some udon. Oh wait, I did. Unfortunately, this is a pretty time-sensitive dish, so I'm gonna go eat it. Right now. Right now. Now that it's time, try to try time. That's not right. Why does my script say that?